is a journey into sound.
You fucking with Chris. See that?
Yeah, now let's take it back to the days back when ain't nobody knew the name. Back when they told me I would never make it to the fame. Now they hear my flowing straight jacket, cause it's too insane. I gave it all I got and it came back just like a motherfucking boomerang. Now sit back and watch me as I do my thing. The way I spew the flame, and got them wishing they could do the same, but never that. I can never be duplicated. As for you to hate it, look at what you created to be. I'm mutilated. Take a dark room and illuminate it with the way I shine. Quick to bust it, but I never rush it. Always take my time. Yeah, like I stole my own watch. Glove box full of tickets, cause I just won't stop. I'm on the road to riches, and I'm behind the wheel of fortune. On my way to sun the game just to kill it like an abortion. I ain't hot, bitch, I be scorching. I'm the hip-hop human torch. I went from rapping on my porch to blowing up out of proportion, forcing MCs to throw the tile in while I be wildin', styling on bitches, got them smiling. Pussy wetter than an island, numbers piling, but I'm never dialing. I ain't got the time, cause time is money and I spend it on my rhymes now. Life is short, so I ain't getting any richer. Michelangelo flow, bitch, I hope you get the picture. Get your mind blown when I spit, I sip clean past you. My art goes over their head like the Sistine Chapel. I got them like, what the fuck?
What the fuck? Fuck. Who the fuck? Fuck this fucking. How did you fucking fuck?
My name is hotter than taking short. You know the drill, you know the deal. Reppin' the Rat Pack, so you know it's real. I'm known to kill, make everyone around me scream. Cause Castro rips everything around me. Cream now. Rap is my passion, never no gas that I'm packing, but it's a fact when I'm blasting these raps. So have you in cast.